What's up everyone, it's Reyna and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a backpack unboxing. I've never done like an unboxing video, so if it's like odd or anything like that compared to the other ones you've watched, sorry, this is the first time I've done something like this. But today I got a package from Amazon and it's my backpack for this upcoming school year and I'm really excited to open it. And as you can see, it's pretty large. So I have scissors and we're gonna get cutting. That sounded wrong. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Why am I cut weird? I feel like I used to cut like this and all my teachers like were shook. So now let's open her up. Which way is it? This way? I'm so excited for this. I found this one and this one was only like $34, but I really loved it. I read like all the reviews and looked at all the pictures that were submitted before I buy anything on Amazon. And it looked really nice and it looked like it held a lot of things, and it has like a laptop sleeve and it's just a plain color because I wanted to be able to put all my pins on it. So let's see. Oh, okay. Here she is. Bigger than I thought, a little bit. Oh, okay, that's nice. Oh, that is nice. Okay. Wow. What's this? That was nice. That was, love that. Okay. Ooh, okay. I'm so excited. I really loved this backpack when I saw it online, so okay. Yeah, let's try to, oh, there we go. Okay. I really like how it has this too. You can button it. Oh, and it's magnetic, so you can button it so it's together. And let's take this off. It's from KROSER, I think that's how you say that. I don't know. So on the side, one thing I really loved when I first saw this is the pocket for the water bottle is like, as you can see, my whole hand is in there. A lot of backpacks that have a like little side pocket for water bottles are really small and then they like fall out or anything and just irritates me. There we go. Okay. Wow, that's nice. Okay, it's like right here, there's like definitely something in there that keeps it so hard. Like that's, I'm terrible at describing things. I really shouldn't be doing this. Okay. Ooh. Another thing that this backpack has is right here. There's like a little USB port, I think, to charge your phone, and then like the other side you can like put a portable charger so it's hidden and you can just plug in right here. That's really cool. I like that. So this is like really deep. I'm so excited, and it opens up so there's like a little more room down here, and the bottom is like almost about the size of my hand, so it'll hold things. And let me show you guys the inside of the bag, which is blue. Let me just, alright, so here's the inside. My phone is in there, as you guys saw. So right here is the laptop sleeve. Is this in focus? That's better. Sorry, the lighting is so bad. So here's the laptop sleeve, and here's like a tablet sleeve, and I think that's really nice that they have both. Here's the other little like USB, comes out right there. It's really cool. Let's flip her over. Here's another sleeve, and then there's two sleeves, and then there's the little zipper and in there. That's so nice. I'm so excited. Okay, so here she is. Okay, and this front pocket is a lot bigger than I thought. I don't know what I was like picturing, but that one doesn't have anything too special, but I like how big it is. Like, it'll hold like my charger and my phone and stuff. I'm so excited. Let me get my other backpack that I used to use and put it right here. Convenient. Okay, so compared to my old backpack, it's a lot nicer, a lot cleaner, definitely. Sorry, this is so gross. So this was the backpack I used, I think, for 3 years actually, so it's sturdy, I know. junior year was a mess. But one thing I did want for my backpack is I didn't want it to have a pattern. That's why I didn't get one of the other backpacks I was looking at, because I wanted to be able to put my pins and stuff like that on here. So I just wanted solid black, and I like that this has a lot of room because this is probably where all my pins are gonna go. The size difference isn't too big. This one has like another pocket here, but I can do without. I mean, I always ended up putting junk in there anyways. And I think that the inside of this is a lot better than this, which this just had the laptop sleeve, which is nice, but there wasn't like other pockets and stuff. And it didn't have anything on the side for my water bottle, so I would always have to put it inside and it would leak and it was bad. But anyways. My new child. I'm gonna link this backpack down below in case you want to get it, because I think it's gonna be really nice and simple for school, and it's really nice and I really love it. And I'm like out of breath from talking so fast. James Charles over here. That was it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Turn on post notifications so you know whenever I upload a video, and comment the color of your backpack if you have it yet, or whatever color you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. That is it for today. So I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.